time you don't have to press a button. Just film. Just keep moving, looking through there. No, no, no. Just look. It's a film.
I'm not eating dinner, you know.
It's a movie. Okay, Angel, yeah. You see us in there?
Yeah.
No. Okay.
Show the driver.
No, it's still filming. Sights and sounds of Delhi. Yeah, Delhi.
Really? Catch all these three big trucks up there.
Major traffic. Downtown Delhi. Major traffic. See? Major traffic. Look out, here comes the speeding one now. Hear them horn? You have to honk when you drive. When you drive in Delhi, it's absolutely required. You must honk. See? Must honk. Honking required when you drive in Delhi. Look at the kids waving. Honking. Absolutely required when you drive in Delhi. Look at this family. See? They're honking. Get out of their way. Honking. Look at a taxi waiting for David and Pastor Samuel. Oh, okay.